So the node is ready again. We'll be connecting it and SSH, push the PPK file. Here we go. And yeah, that's ready again. Become sudo sus yum install httpd -y. -y will refrain the extra action of adding y while it asks do you want to proceed or not. That's an OS command. That's a Linux command, Amazon Linux command. Let's start the service httpd start. Command. Let's go to the location. Create an index.html file. Index.html file is the default file that a browser looks when it gets in the web server. You cannot have any different name. I'll just copy the same command from here. Make slight modification. In ideal situation, the command needs to be same. You cannot have a different output in your server, in different servers of the same cluster. The output has to be same. Since I am testing my load balancer, whether it works or talks with both the node, we are making modifications in the output to understand it spoke with both the nodes. Okay, let's test it. Does it work? It does work. Okay, so here we go. We have both the output. Now we would be configuring load balancer. That means we would be creating a service known as load balancer and associating these two different nodes with that. So in the left pane, you can see there's a load balancer over here. So once the load balancer can be created for infrastructure as a service, application and platform, we would be proceeding with infrastructure and select the classic load balancer. So let the buffering get completed. We can see that page coming in picture. Okay, so create load balancer. This is the application, network and classic. We would be selecting classic load balancer. Though it is said that smaller case, uppercase, numerics are allowed, but I would be selecting smaller case only because I have created a web server and I have hosted a website and I would be accessing stuff over internet, and the name of load balancer defines the name of the website that would get created, and a website cannot have a special character or a capital letter in that. Now here we see the security group HTTP is already added. So there are two stuffs. There would be a load balancer which would be interface between the client and the host machine. The communication between the host machine and load balancer would be over intranet, so that is why HTTP is selected. So this security defines the protocol between load balancer and the node. And this security group defines the protocol between the load balancer and the outside world. So here we will select HTTP and HTTPS both and just convert it to anywhere. As I said, load balancer is a traffic manager, a DNS resolver, a health check component. So it has to do health check. Why is it required to do health check? The reason is, in a real-time scenario, when a transaction happens, for example, we are working on Flipkart